Today I'm making pasta alla with you. I've run out of words. I think I invented this recipe myself. Don't know. I've never seen it around. I'll just tell you that it's delicious. Discover it as I make it. And I'll tell you right now, I add a bit of cream, also because I needed to use it up, and in my opinion it works well. So don't turn up your nose and make this delicious dish with me. Let's get started. So first of all, we need to make the roasted cherry tomatoes. So after washing and drying them well, I place them cut side up in the basket of the air fryer. You can easily use the oven instead. Then I put a few pieces of garlic here and there. By the way, let me remind you that my two cookbooks are only available on Amazon. Just search for Carlo Gaiano recipe book and you'll get them in at most 2 days. Then I add a bit of oregano, or alternatively rosemary works well too, and I add a bit of salt. Then I drizzle a bit of olive oil. And I cook it for 18 to 20 minutes maximum at 180 degrees C in the air fryer, or for about an hour at 180 to 200 degrees C, then adjust based on your oven. In the meantime, after removing the sausages from the casings, I chop them up with a knife. Take some time with this step. At first it will seem all stuck together, but during cooking it will separate and become small pieces. Then I chop up some onion. After that, I put some oil in the pan, add the sausage and the onion, please. When you do this, always use the back of the knife unless you want to eat the wood or plastic from the cutting board. And over high heat, I let it brown for 6 to 7 minutes. In the meantime, since the water is boiling, I add salt, put the pasta in to cook, and then put the cherry tomatoes in the blender cup. I blend them well, right? Now I lower the heat, add the cherry tomato sauce to the sausage. Rinse the blender cup a bit with some pasta cooking water, so I can soften the cream a bit too. I mix it well. I transfer the pasta to the pan 1 minute before it's done cooking. Mix it a bit, toss it, then turn off the heat. I add the cream, bit of grana or parmesan, and then mix well. I add a bit of parsley for color. One last stir. Guardate qua. So, let's see. I'm going to burn myself. Oh my goodness. Trust me, it's exceptional. It's the first time I'm making it this way. Try it and let me know what you think in the comments below. For now, I'll say goodbye. As usual, before I leave you, let me take the opportunity to say bon appétit.